You definitely want to stay weather aware throughout the day.
We could see a maybe isolated spin-up tornado.
Keeping you prepared.
When we know, you know.
Fox Carolina.
Samantha sent this to me out of Abbeville. We have some warnings we want to get to.
For northeastern Pickens, northern Greenville.
Trees that you basically have to climb through. That's how many trees that are down.
Been praying all day for other people, and I think God was letting me know it was coming.
Sticking with it through the storm until the danger passes.
Fox Carolina. We're always committed to you.